it's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that is all about your video editing hints, tips, tricks, tutorials with things about technology as well in there, and an all-round help for your media to help you amplify your media so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell. And here in this video, I'm about to talk about and show you a square video that I made for a company on Facebook. Okay, so I launched a company called Supervids, and that company's function was to create or edit video for small businesses. I had a bunch of packages. I had square video packages, I had Instagram packages, I had website explainer packages. I had a website that had all these things that you could purchase so you didn't have to talk to me whatsoever. I had chat bots going on Facebook, all sorts. I had it all. I had a lot going on that was helping me to run this business and things that I built around this business. You can actually see me on screen behind me right there where I'm talking about that very same business. And here in this video, I'm about to show you just one of the videos that I created for a small company by the name of Frame by Frame. This was one of my cheapest packages. So the cheapest package that you could purchase from me at the time when I was running Supervids was this that you're seeing right now, well, that you will be seeing on screen. So I basically wanted to show you this so that you could have more context of what it's like when you're running a sort of media business and the type of quality that some of these companies expect from you. Or well, what they expected from me anyway. And this was basically the standard of what I was creating for square videos that you could post on Instagram or Facebook. So without further ado, I'm about to show you the video now. This was the square video that I created for Frame by Frame. They were a photo booth company. Hopefully you enjoy it. I hope you do, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. So, what did you think? I want to know your thoughts on what you thought of that square video. How much would you pay for something like that as well? That's also a really good question for me to ask you. How much would you pay for that video, like now, as it was my cheapest package? So I'm not actually going to tell you how much it cost the client to pay me. I just want to know what your thoughts are on that video. It does look a lot better on Instagram as well. The only thing provided to me to create this video were the pictures that you see within the photo book and the ones that I've given a slide to. Everything else was either created by me or was sourced elsewhere. So let me know what you think about that down below in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if this has been helpful to you in whatever shape or form. I've provided you with some more context on the insider knowledge on running a media company, media business. So if you've enjoyed this video in whatever shape or form, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I upload every single day. And if you don't want to miss an upload, hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with what's happening here on AnthonyAllenEdits, because I give away some absolute gems here on this channel that you do not want to miss out on, because I don't think a lot of people will be giving away this knowledge for free, and it will really help you to stand out online with your media, whether it be video, picture, or teaching you how to edit on Mac or Windows. I'm also going to be teaching you some free video editing strategies and platforms as well. So I'd like to see you in the next video tomorrow as I upload daily here on this channel, Anthony Allen Edits. Thank you for watching.